Ever wondered how a simple login name reuse can expose passwords? Today we'll uncover the LLNR vulnerability, local login name reuse, and demonstrate how attackers can exploit it using Kali Linux. LLNR is a common weakness found in many systems where users reuse their login name as part of their password. This predictable pattern allows attackers to easily recover passwords using simple brute force techniques. To demonstrate, we'll use a basic Kali Linux setup. First, we need a target system where Then we'll use Hydra, a powerful password cracking tool, to automate the attack. Here we provide a list of usernames and a dictionary of common passwords. Hydra will systematically test login name variations to find a match. As Hydra runs, it cycles through combinations, exploiting the tendency of users to reuse parts of their login credentials. Once a match is found, the password is revealed, giving an attacker unauthorized access. So how can we prevent LLNR-based attacks? Here are some essential security measures. Understanding vulnerabilities like LLNR is crucial for both ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals. Always use this knowledge responsibly to secure systems, not exploit them. Want to learn more? Subscribe for more ethical hacking tutorials.